How to transfer data from iPhone to laptop with a lightning cable. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer data from iPhone to laptop with a lightning cable. To transfer data from an iPhone to a laptop using a lightning cable, connect the iPhone to the PC with a cable. If using Windows, unlock the iPhone and select Trust this computer when prompted. Open File Explorer, find your iPhone under this PC, access the DCIM folder, and copy the photos and videos you need. For a full backup, use iTunes. Install and open iTunes on your PC. Connect your iPhone and click the device icon. Select Backup Now to save all data, including apps and settings. On a Mac, use Finder or iTunes. Connect your iPhone, open Finder, select your device, and drag files to your Mac. You can also use AirDrop for specific files. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.